What's happening, everyone? We're back today with another video. Today we're going to be fixing Dan's window motor on his car because one morning he come out to use it and it went no. And as you can see, you can hear it, but it does nothing. So let's get to it. I'm just getting this trim off. Normally just pops out like that. And then there is a little tab on the plug here. Just get a small screwdriver down and she will come out. Okay, and then exposes a screw here and one there. They're both T20s, so we'll just get them out. One, and then the other one here. Careful not to drop the screw in the door card. And then you've got a little tab there, which if you just push the bottom corner, just gently she'll open up without having to damage it, because a lot of people do. And then you've got a Phillips screw, which just undoes like that. And you've got this trim here. It just gently pops off and slides out. Just allows you to get the door card out of the way. So when you come underneath the door card, you'll have a 10mm here, and this one's missing, but there is another one there. You literally just undo them. Once it's loose, it should just pop out like so. Normally, where the 10mm are, I like to just pull them from there and it'll come out. Once all the clips are off, just lift it slightly, she'll come off. Okay, and then when you get to the cable, this bit will just pop out from here, and then there's a little tab just here that you just lever over, and then as you can see, just lever that tab towards the inside of the car basically, and then it will pop out, and then you can move the door card. Okay, so once door card's off, you are greeted by the motor. It's quite easy. It's only held in by 3 T20s. Okay, and then a bit of a wiggle, motor will come out, and then there's a plug here. Just push the tab, it comes off. So, I don't know if you can see, the motor has a nice big crack going all the way through it, and isn't actually doing its job. In with the new. So, just same thing as reverse order. We will just fit the motor in place. It should just click in, like you'll feel it. It's got like little guides to where it needs to be. We'll just tighten that down. Okay, then there's a little joining plug here, which we will just connect in. And whilst we have everything off, just in case, plug the switch back in. put the ignition on. Make sure everything works, which, if I point you up to the window, we now have a working window. Okay, so we're just going to put all this back together now. Okay, so when fitting these handles, you need to make sure this white part lines up with this part of the handle here. So you just slide the front in first, make sure that is lined up with that. You can test it with the handle. As you can see, it's pulling the cable. You then click the cable in place, like that, and then push down onto the cable, and then it will click everything into place. So that's the hardest part done of this job now, and just give it a quick test and the cable is working correctly. Okay, so got the handle on and working. We now just want to fit the door card, so we will get, before we do anything, make sure that this wire is through, because it's a pain if you don't. And you just want to hook it in at the top, like so. And make sure this wire, because it will just fight you the whole way, is through the gap, like so. And then once it's lined up, just give it a tap all round and your poppers will line in. And then with this little 10mm that you took apart, obviously when taking the door card off, to put it back you can literally just push it and it will pop into place. So I'll just quickly do that now. Like that. And then you've got your two Torx bolts that go in for the grab handle. Then you have your Phillips, dropping everything. You have your Phillips that goes for your inner handle. Then your little cover. And then plug your switch in. Connect the actual trim back up. Just giving it a tap, and then it's back together. One of the most awkward things, for me anyway, is this trim here. As you can see, one of the clips is broken anyway. But you need to line it up with the holes. And then push it in, because it actually slides in. And then just give it a tap like that. And then give it another little push, and then she is that back together. And then what we'll do is quickly turn the ignition on, just make sure it works. As you can see, it's all working now. Happy days. Okay, so that's today's video on fitting a MK6 Fiesta electric window motor. Principles should be the same across all platforms, whether it's ST or a base model. Hopefully it has helped you though. If you did enjoy the video, please like, comment, subscribe for more content on the channel, and I'll catch you later.